If you find yourself banned from Pinterest, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Review Pinterest community guidelines. Before appealing, familiarize yourself with Pinterest community guidelines to understand the reason for your ban. This will help you address the specific issues in your appeal. Step 2. Gather relevant information. Collect all necessary information related to your account, including your username, email address associated with the account, and any relevant screenshots or communications from Pinterest regarding the ban. Step 3. Access the Help Center. Visit the Pinterest Help Center and look for the section related to account issues or bans. This section often contains important information on how to proceed with an appeal. Step 4. Submit an appeal. Use the appeal form provided in the Help Center. Clearly explain your situation, referencing the guidelines you reviewed, and provide any evidence that supports your case. Be concise and polite in your explanation. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient. Pinterest will review your case and respond via email. This process may take some time, so check your email regularly for updates. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your ban on Pinterest. Good luck!